Hey everyone, what if your internet connection could earn you money while you sleep, work, or binge your favorite shows? No clicking ads, no surveys, no effort at all, just pure passive income. I'm talking about Honeygain, the app that's been quietly paying people worldwide since 2018 for sharing their unused bandwidth. In January 2026, with over 12 million users and millions of payouts already delivered, it's still going strong. I live right here in Atlanta and I've been using it on my devices for years. Spoiler: it's legit, it's safe, and yeah, you can actually make some extra cash without lifting a finger. But let's be real. How much can a regular person in the US really earn in 2026? Is it worth your time and tiny bit of electricity? Stick around, in the next few minutes, I'll break down exactly how it works. Show you realistic earnings. Think $5 to $20 a month for most folks, and walk you through a super quick setup. If you're hunting for easy side money in 2026, smash that like button now and let's dive in. Alright, let's get into the good stuff. What exactly is Honeygain? It's a super simple app that pays you real money for sharing your unused internet bandwidth. Think of it like this: your home Wi-Fi or mobile data has plenty of extra capacity when you're not streaming 4K or gaming hardcore. Honeygain quietly uses a tiny slice of that unused bandwidth to help businesses do legit things like market research, checking ad prices, verifying SEO data, or testing apps, all on public web info only. Nothing shady, and definitely no accessing your personal files, browsing history, or anything like that. How do you actually earn? Default sharing, the main mode. You get 10 cents for every GB of bandwidth shared. That's 1 credit per 10 megabytes, so 10 gigabytes equals $1. Sometimes, if available in your area, like here in Atlanta, content delivery kicks in for extra credits. Think steady hourly bonuses when demand is high. It runs silently in the background on your Android phone, Windows PC, Mac, or Linux. No iOS yet. Your internet stays fast, data is encrypted, and you can pause or stop anytime. Bottom line: it's truly set and forget it passive income. Perfect if you've got unlimited data and a stable connection. But how much can you realistically make in 2026? That's next. Stay tuned. Okay, let's talk real numbers for 2026, especially if you're in the United States. No fluff, no fake promises. Earnings depend on your location, internet speed, whether you have unlimited data, and how much demand there is for residential IPs like yours. The core rate remains 10 cents per GB shared, so 10 gigabytes equals $1. When content delivery is active in your area, you get an extra boost, roughly 6 credits per hour, which adds up to about $0.006 per hour on top. For most people running one device 24/7 on a good residential connection, daily earnings usually fall between 20 cents and 80 cents. That's 2 to 8 gigabytes shared. Depending on traffic, monthly, $5 to $15 is the realistic average for a single device. Plenty of recent US users report landing in the $6 to $12 range. If you step it up, multiple devices on different networks, plus active referrals and content delivery when available, you can push toward $20 to $50 plus per month. That's the high end though, and it takes some effort to build. Time to reach the $20 minimum payout? Expect 2 to 6 months on a single device alone. Referrals speed that up dramatically. Bottom line: Honeygain delivers true pocket money passive income. Not life-changing cash, but easy extra dollars if you've got spare bandwidth and a stable connection. Next, I'll show you exactly how to get started in minutes. Let's keep going! Alright, time to get you earning. Setting up Honeygain is seriously quick. We're talking under 5 minutes if you follow along. I'll walk you through it step by step right here in real time. First, head over to the official site, honeygain.com. Click that big sign up or start earning now button right on the homepage. You'll see options to register with your email and a password or use Google, Facebook for speed. Pro tip: if you have a referral link or code, like the one in my description for a nice starter bonus, often $3, $5 in credits to kick things off, pop it in during sign up. New users get that welcome boost to help reach payouts faster. Once registered, the site usually prompts you to download the app automatically. Choose your device. It works great on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, or Android phones. Sorry, no native iOS yet. Download. Install it like any normal app. Super straightforward. Open the app after installation. Log in with the same email and password you just created. Boom, you're connected. The app starts running in the background right away, sharing unused bandwidth securely. You'll see your dashboard pop up, showing credits starting to tick up. Quick extras to maximize from day. By the way, this is my actual dashboard. Enable content delivery if it's available in your region. It adds those hourly bonus credits automatically. Keep the app running 24/7 on a stable, unlimited data connection for best results. Avoid VPNs or data center IPs, they won't earn much or anything. That's it, set it and forget it. Your first credits should appear soon. In the next section, we'll cover how to boost those earnings even more and what real payouts look like. Ready? Let's keep rolling. You don't have to stop at basic earnings. Here are the smartest ways to boost your monthly total in 2026. First, run it on multiple devices, one phone plus one PC on different networks. That's often double or triple the credits. Just don't overload the same IP variety helps. Second, and biggest, referrals. Honeygain gives you 10% of your friend's lifetime earnings forever. Plus you both get a nice sign-up bonus, usually $3, $5 credits each. Share your link in group chats, on socials, or with family who have unlimited data. This is how many users turn $10 a month into $30, $100 plus. Third, check for daily tasks, lucky pots, or limited time promos inside the app. They drop free credits regularly. And if content delivery is active for you, leave it on, it's automatic extra money. Now, payouts. Once you hit $20 minimum, cash out via PayPal, fastest, small fee, or jump task for crypto. Most users see funds in 1 to 3 business days. Bottom line, solo device equals steady pocket change. Ad referrals and extras equals real noticeable side income. Super satisfying when that first payout hits. Next up, the honest pros, cons, and my final verdict on whether Honeygain is worth it for you in 2026. Stay with me. So after testing Honeygain, here's the straight-up truth, the good, the not so good, and whether you should jump in. Pros, it's genuinely passive. Install once, run in the background, forget about it. 100% legit. Payouts since 2019, millions of users, solid Trustpilot rating. Safe and private, encrypted traffic, no access to your browsing history or personal data, GDPR compliant. Great starter for easy side money. Perfect if you already have unlimited data and spare devices. Cons. Earnings are slow on a single device. Most people see just $5 to $15 per month. Heavily location dependent. US rates are decent but not the highest worldwide. $20 minimum payout takes time, 2 to 6 plus months solo. It's pocket change, not replacement income. Don't expect to quit your job. Final verdict. If you've got extra bandwidth, a stable connection, and don't mind modest returns, yes, Honeygain is worth trying in 2026. It has one of the easiest truly passive income options out there. Great for testing the waters or adding a little extra cash flow without any daily effort. Not for everyone, but if that sounds like you, give it a shot. Wrapping up next with my final thoughts. If you're ready to start earning passive pocket money, head to the link in the description right now. Use my special referral link. New users get a sweet $3 to $5 starter bonus and credits just for signing up through it, which jumps you ahead toward that first payout. Seriously, click that link below, it helps support the channel too, and costs you nothing extra. Drop a comment and let me know. How much do you think you could realistically make per month with your setup? Single device? Multiple? I'd love to hear your guesses or experiences. If this helped you discover a new side hustle, smash that like button. It really helps the video reach more people hunting for legit passive income ideas. And if you want more 2026 tests like this, apps, websites, easy money methods, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks so much for watching.